Diamondback rattlesnake. The diamondback rattlesnake, Crocodilodrox, is a venomous snake species native to North America. It is one of the most recognizable and infamous rattlesnakes due to its distinctive diamond-shaped patterns on its back and its characteristic rattle at the end of its tail. Here are some key points about the diamondback rattlesnake. Number 1. Appearance. The diamondback rattlesnake gets its name from the diamond-like patterns on its back, which vary in color from light gray to brown or pink. These patterns help it blend into its environment. Its tail features a series of interlocking, segmented rattles that produce a distinctive sound when shaken. Number 2. Range. Diamondback rattlesnakes are found primarily in the southwestern United States and northern Mexico. They inhabit various habitats, including deserts, grasslands, scrublands, and forests. Number 3. Venom. Like other rattlesnake species, the diamondback rattlesnake is venomous. It has a pair of large, hollow fangs located in the front of its mouth that it uses to inject venom into its prey. The venom contains enzymes that help break down tissues and immobilize prey. Number 4. Diet. Diamondback rattlesnakes primarily feed on small mammals, such as rodents, mice, rats, squirrels, birds, and sometimes other snakes. They are ambush predators, relying on their camouflage to hide and wait for prey to come within striking distance. Number 5. Behavior. When threatened, a diamondback rattlesnake will often coil its body and raise its head off the ground in a defensive posture. It rattles its tail as a warning to potential predators, signaling that it is dangerous and should be avoided. If the warning is ignored and the snake feels cornered, it may strike in self-defense. Number 6. Reproduction. Diamondback rattlesnakes are viviparous, meaning they give birth to live young. The females give birth to a litter of 2 to 25 babies, known as neonates, in late summer or early fall. The young snakes are fully formed and capable of fending for themselves shortly after birth. Number 7. Conservation. While diamondback rattlesnakes are not considered endangered, they do face threats from habitat loss, road mortality, and human persecution. Snake bites can also pose a risk to human health, although fatalities are relatively rare due to the availability of antivenom and medical treatment. Their diamondback rattlesnake, Crocodilodrox, faces various biological challenges in its natural environment. These challenges have shaped the snake's behavior, physiology, and adaptations over time. Here are some of the key biological challenges that diamondback rattlesnakes must contend with. Number 1. Predation. While diamondback rattlesnakes are apex predators themselves, they are not immune to predation. Large birds of prey, mammals such as coyotes and bobcats, and even other snakes can pose a threat to both juveniles and adults. Rattlesnakes have developed defensive behaviors, such as rattling their tails and adopting a defensive posture, to deter potential predators. Number 2. Hunting and feeding. Rattlesnakes primarily feed on small mammals, which can be elusive and challenging to catch. The snake's venomous bite immobilizes and digests its prey, but capturing and subduing fast-moving and potentially dangerous animals can be a challenge. Rattlesnakes need to be efficient and strategic in their hunting techniques. Number 3. Thermoregulation. Diamondback rattlesnakes are ectothermic, meaning they rely on external sources of heat to regulate their body temperature. This can be challenging in environments with extreme temperature fluctuations, such as deserts, where they must carefully balance their activity to avoid overheating or becoming too cold. Number 4. Water and hydration. Like other animals in arid environments, diamondback rattlesnakes face challenges related to obtaining water and staying hydrated. They have evolved mechanisms to conserve water and are capable of surviving for long periods without drinking. Number 5. Reproduction and parenting. female diamondback rattlesnakes face the challenge of finding suitable nesting sites and protecting their young. Giving birth to live young, viviparity, means that females must provide proper conditions for gestation and birth. They also need to protect their neonates from potential predators. Number 6. Habitat loss and fragmentation. Urbanization and habitat destruction can lead to reduced and fragmented habitats for diamondback rattlesnakes. This can affect their ability to find food, mate, and seek shelter. It may also increase the risk of encounters with humans and other potential threats. Number 7. Human interactions. One of the significant challenges for diamondback rattlesnakes is human interactions. Human activities, including habitat destruction, road mortality, and direct persecution due to fear or misunderstanding, can have negative impacts on rattlesnake populations. Number 8. Disease and parasites. Like all wildlife, diamondback rattlesnakes are susceptible to diseases and parasites that can affect their health and survival. Parasites and infections can weaken individuals and impact their ability to hunt, reproduce, and defend themselves.